Hello everyone and welcome to XQ Crafting. We have taken over XQ Crafting's channel. Today we have a very special mystery guest who is going to be doing some fun Miniverse mini foods. Now for those of you who are not familiar with these kits, they're actually pretty cool. They come in, there's two different sets that you can get. There's the Diner series and the Cafe series. And as you can see here, there are a lot of different little cute mini foods that you can make. There's little drinks, there's little cereal, there's donuts. There's the other set that comes with little pies, little key lime pies. This is the cutest little things that you can get. I got these at Target, but you can find them on Amazon, although Amazon, it's going to take forever to ship, but we found them at Target. So if you're looking, check out your local Target. You can see they come in these little kind of balls, and there's a lot of wrapping on them, so we had to unwrap all this. The little bags that the little ingredients come in are really cute because they're made to look like little shopping bags. So if you wanted to be very patient, you can cut it like we did here, like a little shopping bag, and each ingredient comes in its own little bag. So you can see here we have, it's a little whipped cream, and the little containers are so adorable. They're actually really well made, and you can keep them for decoration after you make this craft. There's also a lot of little papers and booklets that come in here. This one right here you can see is just everything that you can get in this series. You can see all the drinks, all the different little foods and treats that you can get. And then on the back of that are the actual instructions to make these items. Here we got a straw. So I know off the bat right now we're getting some sort of drink, obviously, because it comes with a little straw. So depending on what order you open it in, you might already kind of know what you're getting. This is, I believe, an orange juice or lemonade. There's a little wrapper on it. Again, super cute though. You can keep the item for decoration after. And in the bottles itself are actually the resin. So this is a resin kit. And it's meant to be cured in the sun. You can put it in the sun to cure, but we used like a quick UV light. The other cute thing about this set is there is a built-in display case. So if you wanted to display this, put it on a shelf, wherever, you could use this little display case that you can see here. It's supposed to be like, you know, the little things that you pull up, you know, if you put a cake in, it's real cute. The other Diner series, I believe they come with little tables that you can actually put inside the pod. So super cute little display case. So right now, what we're doing is filling the glass with the resin. Sometimes it is a little tough to get the resin out from what we've found. So we just kind of, you can squeeze it a little bit, try to get it out. So we've got the juice out. We're going to put that straw right in to the resin there. Put our little whipped cream. It also comes with little plastic little tweezers, so that way you can get the little bits that you need to and put them on the little treats or the drinks. Here's our pineapple. You can see it comes with 2 slices. What we found though is it's with the size of the whipped cream, it's a little difficult to get it in to fit properly. So there's our UV light, super cheap, got it at Michael's. If you don't have one, get one. They definitely come in handy. Checking with the back of the tweezers to make sure that the resin is set, because obviously you don't want to touch that with your hands. And there is our complete little pineapple smoothie. Super cute. Again, you can keep those other items as decoration. So on to the second mystery. See what we've got here. Again, you can see a lot of wrapping that goes into this. So it's like opening a little present. We got to see what we've got here. So you can see same amount, you get the same amount of papers. Honestly don't know what those other ones are. We didn't look at them. Even though it says read me first, it's a resin kit. We've used something similar to this before, so we're familiar with using resin. Of course, if you're giving this to a child, you definitely want to make sure that they have the safety precautions in place, because again, you're working with resin. So definitely want to read those first. You can see here we've got super cute little mini donuts, and this was so cute. It came in a little pink box. It had like the little tissue paper type deal inside the donut box with it. You can see this one also came with a tray as well. So if you wanted to, you could display them in the pink donut box. I think that would work too, but this comes with a tray, so we're putting it on the tray. And this one comes with a glaze, which is the resin. The bottle is called glaze. Right there, kind of blurry, you can see it though. And it has a little squeeze top. One thing we did find with these bottles is the little thing on the top of the bottle. It's really hard to get it off. I even struggled to get that thing off. So what we ended up having to do is take like a really sharp knife, or the crafting knife, like an X-Acto knife, and actually cut the top of it, so that way, cut into the top of it, so that way we can get into it. It was very hard. Here you can see the little sprinkles, so adorable. They come in this little jar that say sprinkles. It's the cutest thing. Again, we really like these kits because you can use basically every element that you're getting in this kit for some sort of decoration. So even if you wanted to use that sprinkles container for your dollhouse, or obviously too big for Barbies, but you can use it for other elements of play if you want to. So there's our finished donuts, a little blurry there, but again, you can see the little pod acts as a little display case. We're gonna fill that with our donuts and our little donut box, and of course our glaze, and can't forget the sprinkles. Now this one, I will tell you a funny story about this one. So you can see we're reusing the donut glaze. I went to Target because I saw these on YouTube, and I said, got to get my hands on them. I want to see what these are all about. And they had the display box, and where you grab the little balls out of. And there was only like 3 of these balls left, and so I asked the guy who was in the toy section, hey, if I buy all of these, can I just take the display box, which had like a little enclosure with this little cereal, the cereal and the bowl and the spoon. And he said, yeah, go ahead and take it. So what we found when we opened this is the resin, it was empty because it's a display. So we had to get creative and use the donut glaze. So you can see here, this is my favorite one, rainbow ring cereal. So adorable. It has like a little maze on the back like you would see on real cereal boxes. So we got creative, reused the donut glaze as the milk. Although there was not a lot of milk in there, you can see we still got it to work. Put the little spoon in there, threw it under the UV light, and this is how it turned out. All right, this one is another drink. You can see this is the ice. Also, another really fun element that they do here is they put the little tags, like the little plastic tags that you would get on bread, or in this case, the ice. So cute. That was, I believe, orange slices or lemon slices that we had there. Our little mug, it's like a mason jar type glass. So cute. Another straw. So again, depending on what order you open these, you might already know kind of what you're making, right? If you open the glass, you know that you're making a drink. If you open like a pie plate, you'll know that you're making some sort of pie or a cheesecake. There's our juice, which again is the resin. You can see it's a real screw-on thing there, but again, the little white piece on top of it's super hard to get off. So we had to do that off camera there because it was a little difficult. So squeezing the resin in. If I had to give one tip here, I would say try to maybe put if you have like the little juice or the milk, whatever the resin is, try to put it upside down a little bit. Just to kind of help it, because sometimes it'll settle at the bottom, and again, that's when it gets a little hard to get out. So this is the lemonade. So here are the tiniest little lemon slices that you have ever seen in your entire life. So we're using the little tweezers that the set comes with to put those and push them down, on the sides of the glass there. All right, and now it's time for the ice. Again, super cute. They are just, I was expecting them for some reason to be like kind of a squishy. I don't know why. They're hard though. They're just like little plastic pieces of ice, but cute nonetheless. And here we're just kind of shoving them in there with those tweezers there. Again, don't want to use your fingers because it is resin, so make sure that you have those tweezers handy to drop all those little ice cubes in. And next we're going to throw our straw in there. There it is. Nice little lemonade there. Using the UV light super quick. I think we had it in there for maybe 45 seconds. Some of the bigger pieces do require a little bit longer. And you can see there's the CrazyCraftCritter who is put those together for us today. So if you guys want to see more Miniverse, which I am obsessed with at the moment, let us know in the comments. We can definitely get some more kits for you, put them together. If there's anything else that you guys would like to see on this channel, definitely let us know. You might see some more appearances by the CrazyCraftCritter on XQ Crafting. Don't forget, of course, to like the video if you like it. If you don't, let us know why. We can always improve if needed. And of course, subscribe so that way you get these fun videos where we have some very fun stuff planned for you guys. So again, don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out the other videos here on the channel. Great DIY stuff on a budget and these fun videos, of course. Thank you guys for watching.